Hello everyone, welcome to Frog Tech Tips. This video will be different. This video is shot on one shot. One shot? Yeah, one shot. Okay, I already know that this I will just quickly show you how it looks, this new fan for my PC, and it's really cheap one. I don't know why it's cheap, but I bought them for 15 euro. Yeah, regarding the postage for free as well. It means 15 euro for free ARGB fan. Look at how it looks like. Hopefully it looks nice. It should be so quiet as well, just only 19 decibels. Like I said, this video will be a little bit different. No cut, no edit. Just where is my tools for to open this? Okay, don't do a unit down. Is open. Yeah, again. Okay. Just remember, I pay only 15 euro for this. Packing looks nice. And let's polish language. Yeah, it's from some of the shop, and I will not mention. That's only for my opinion. This I want to show you how it looks like. Everything. Yeah. The pattern here, how to connect. Oh, this is the fun. ARGB, you can plug it on your main board directly, and should be so quiet as well. Okay, looks nice. And now this is how it looks like when you mount. Okay, my plans is change that RGB fans. One will be going here and two of them will be going on the top. I already have three here and one on the CPU. Okay, just quickly swap now. Okay, a fan is mounted. As you can see, is two of them is on the top and one is on the back. And I will be also explain why I make this decision. Okay, this free fan on the front push the air from outside, inside, over the CPU cooler, which is going also on this way. As you can see, this arrow push the air on this side, and this one will be taken out, and also this one is taken out the air from on the top, and this one is push the cold air to help this to cooling down. Okay, this is how it looks like, and now just show you how it's connected on the back. And this is back of the side of my PC. I just need to connect this RGB, and once I connect, I will switch on. Okay, let's go connect. Okay, and all is plugged in. Now I will be just try quickly switch on to see if it's everything works, and that should be all done. And that's it. This is how it looks like on my PC. Two on the top, one on the back. I also got a free on the front SSA and CPU cooler. Now it's time to install the rest of the PC. But that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it, click like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more about my PC.